सर यहाँ से वही बटालिक आर्मी टिस पे आएगा, उसके बाद आप आर्यन मिल पहुंचे।
So, Batalik sector has a great significance. Date back to the 1947 Indo-Pak War, 1971, another significant year, and then the 1999 war. This used to be the frontier border, the forward post. We are heading to that place. आहिस्ता ही चल रहा हूँ उस पे. Welcome to the abode of Red Aryans. Only one vehicle at one time.
वहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली उस स्पॉट पर हमारा स्टे है.
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल रोड्स हैं एंड दे आर डेंजरस टू. लीविंग नाउ. Cool place, bro. Feeling so much lively now because we had our food here, plus coffee. Energy levels are again back to normal. Let's go. Roads are quite narrow here. We'll have to be careful. The view is quite amazing. Batalik is 46 kilometers now. Barche is 13. Iron Valley is primarily, famous for its orchards and a lot of other things also. Wide open roads. You can see the snow peaks. We've reached almost the apex level. I'll have to shift to some other mountain. अब तो ये mountain बस खत्म होने वाला है. Continuously heights ले रहे तब से. तो we're about to reach the apex point of this peak. बटालिक अभी भी 31 है यार. कितना टायरसम है ये लूप्स है ना, इसमें ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है चलाने में. Batalik sector has a great significance. Date back to the 1947 Indo-Pak War. This used to be the frontier border, the forward post. 1971, another significant year, and then the 1999 war. It was also considered as it is still considered as the frontier border of the India-Pakistan LOC. We are heading to that place, and then we'll be going to Iron Valley also. If you check it out, like that's Kargil from that side. वहाँ से हम आ गए नीचे. Let's look at the clouds and the sun behind the clouds. Partially, the view is phenomenal. He must be tired. I'm loving it. Taking height again. We have to be there. Yeah, feels scary. It does, man. Hambuting La. Altitude 13,380 feet. Iron Valley would be around from that side. I'm just making a rough guess. That's the highest point at an altitude of 13,380 feet. Hambutingla. It's around 6 in the evening. Mighty view. What clouds, man. Beautiful. We're going down again.
Low battery.
Mighty roads. Huge. And we're riding in between the mountains. I believe that is the village Barche. They are narrow. Lalung village. Okay, it's from the right side, but we got to take it straight. Now Batalik is 16 and it's 6:14. Yeah, great. Greenery at few places makes the road look more beautiful. Batalik must be now around 13 kilometers now. Silmo. It feels as if we're riding through the LOC. It has that same feel. Silmo Healthcare Center. Lakha Silmo. So Batarik I have to take a right turn. ले भी इधर से है, Batarik भी यहीं से. Again riding through these rough kind of patches. I would want to see anyone so that I can ask him whether we are on the, you know, correct road, but I could not find any. ठीक है halka miyata şiden aspekci var. Bise pakan tüt meçmazi var. आहिस्ता ही चल रहा हूँ उस पर. बटारिक तो बस ये अब 12 किलोमीटर के करीब दिखा रहा है यहाँ से. तो ये भी सिल्मो रोड है और यहाँ से पड़ेगा अब आर्यन वैली. यही 15 किलोमीटर तक आ जाएगा.
15 किलोमीटर आएगा सर. यहाँ से यही बटालिक आर्मी टिस्पी आएगा, उसके बाद आप आर्यन वैली पहुँच.
ठीक.
वहाँ से तो रास्ता भी अच्छा है सर.
Just look at the roads, man. बहुत ही beautiful roads है and they are dangerous too. Like ज़्यादा कुछ वो फेंसिंग वगैरह करके है नहीं. बस यहाँ से अब टीसीपी पड़ेगा आगे आर्मी का, तो वहीं से हमको राइट देना पड़ेगा फॉर आर्यन वैली. दिस इज़ टू क्लोज टू द इंडिया पाकिस्तान LOC, द फ्रंटियर बॉर्डर. The roads are too narrow. Two vehicles cannot pass at a time. Either of them has to slow down to let other one go through. We have been continuously taking a descent since I believe an hour, and before that we continuously took a, you know, the altitude thing till we reached 13,380 feet, and since then we've been riding descent. If you are not careful on this one, you're definitely going to pay for it. Be gentle on the curves and be cautious, vigilant at all times. Do not make any wild guesses. Look to it, yaar. Wow. Okay, man. Beautiful roads. सावधान आगे फिसलन है. Okay. Oh, huge rocks, man. Khalsi 77 can reach out to Leh also from this place, but I believe we won't. We're going down again. Few more kilometers to the Aryan Valley. Wow, it's great. यहाँ से खलसी भी जाते भाई. Okay. Riding parallel to the Indus River. Welcome to Darchik village. Welcome to the abode of Red Aryan. Welcome to the abode of Red Aryans, Darchik village, but we're supposed to go to the old village which is from that side. Currently I'm waiting for Mr. Burhan. Only one vehicle at one time. Oh, looks mighty. So we just moved on to another mountain. This is the area of the Aryan Valley. It spans around 15 to 20 kilometers, and now we're going up to the village and see what we can put up. As of now, I am feeling like this is going to be a beautiful experience for me. I'm thrilled with these scenic views all the way from the top. Garkon, another village at a distance of 4 kilometers. Might see if we can stay there. Amazing. And this is flowing between the mountains, man. Oh, mighty flow. Huge rush of waters. Oh, we have officially entered the village. This is the Aryan village. I had to find a stay first somewhere. This is Garkon village.
फाइनली वी आर एट आर्यन वैली। आज हमारा स्टे टेंट्स में होना है और वो भी इन दिस रिवर के साथ में वहाँ पर। सो विल बी यू नो हाइकिंग ए बिट। क्या वाइब आ रही है भाई?
Say anything till I reach there.
As of now it's been an amazing experience,
Yeah, definitely.
though the roads were quite tiresome,
They were very narrow roads.
but still Mr. Burhan didn't give up.
No, I didn't. I never do.
Mr. Burhan बड़े खुश है।
मैं खुश क्यों हूँ यार, चलवा रहा है यहाँ से।
अरे यार
बैठा था मैं करगिल से।
इसके मन मुताबिक जगह है।
ये देखिए पानी मेरे को खुश करता है।
इसके
मिट्टी वाला पानी। डर इस चीज का लग रहा है।
किस चीज़ का?
आजकल क्लाउड बर्स्ट वगैरह होते हैं ना, अल्लाह ताला बचाए उस चीज से हमें।
अरे नहीं यार, ये पहाड़ी के दामन में है।
अबे पहाड़ी के भी नीचे है
ना?
तुझे पता हम कितना नीचे है? मेरे को लगता है हम
ये है सिंधु घाट, वहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली उस स्पॉट पर हमारा स्टे है। वहाँ पर टेंट्स वगैरह लगे हुए हैं और अभी हम वहीं की ओर जा रहे हैं। ध्यान से भाई, इसमें स्लिप है। एंड वी आर टेकिंग दिस road
and little gravels are there.
and then we have to cross that bridge also.
Yes. What the fuck? My hands are fully occupied. What's it?
My hands are also occupied.
You know,
Yes.
hang back in your hand. That's what you got.